Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique. And
So in this video, I'm just going to show how to spell check on Google Docs on your PC. So now I just going to write a line or whatever that you want. So I just adding a misspelling words from here. You can see a red color appears on the word which is you having a misspelled word. So it will be correct the word by using this. If you have a paragraph like that, so you can see a red color option here. Now you just click this, you can see the suggestion. You can also ignore the suggestion and you can also make a feedback and click on the three dots. You can see always correct to the good. You can make it as always to correct to the good or add to your personal dictionary. And there is another option called spell check and grammar check. So you can also make this option by clicking on the here. Just click this. You can see it will shows all the grammatical mistake in the paragraph or line that you typed on the Google Docs document. For an example, I just need to accept this, it automatically change and it will just jump into the next word that you all typed wrong, and you just click accept and accept and accept. I just going to ignore this, so the line will be automatically goes and you can see the spelling mistake will not be shown here, the spell suggestion will not be shown here. By this option you can make a spelling mistake. If you made a mistake, it will be can be automatically corrected by using this option. You can make a spell check on your Google Docs by using this method. And if you like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below for to watch the more videos about the Google Docs right now. Thank you for watching.